On your website, you'll see a lot of places that use icons. For example, I'm on the front end of a demo website here. Up at the top here, you see various little icons as buttons that you can click on to take you to different parts of the website. In these cases, you can't actually change them, but in a lot of cases, you can change them. So for example, if we find a button, then pretty much any button that you put on your website, you can choose whether to have an icon, and if yes, which icon you'd like to have. So you could change the icon here in this button. You could change it here in this button, and so on and so on. Wherever there's a button, you can do it. Also in a number of titles and other places. So for example, in the menu up at the top, in front of each of the menu items, or any of the menu items, you could put a different icon to highlight what that individual page is about. So lots of places, probably a couple of dozen different places in the website that you are able to add icons. And to do this, we use a system called Google Material Design. So I'm just going to change the page, and I'm going to go into the Material Design icon page. We'll add a link to this in the Pono Owner's Manual. At the time of recording this video, it's material.io/resources/icons. That may change, so check the Owner's Manual if you can't find it. But on this page, you will find a lot of icons that Google has created. Material design basically is the way that Google thinks the internet should look. They've created their own specifications for how they think things should look. Things like buttons and checkboxes and icons and tables and all sorts of different elements that you see on a website. So you'll find all sorts of icons here. Now, when you've found one that you like, let's say that in front of our features page, we'd like to have this smiley emoticon. Click on it, click on the selected icon button at the bottom simply to open this up, and just copy the name. Don't worry, by the way, that these icons are all in black and white. When you put them on your website, they will appear in the correct color according to the content. So if it's in a button that is styled in your website's accent or highlight color, the button will automatically appear in that color. They're all in black and white here on the website. So yeah, just copy whichever one you like when you found one. Go back into your website, and let's do this little example that I said. Let's put that emoji in front of the features link in the menu. So I'm going to go in the admin. I happen to know that the menu is in website, layout, and menus. Like I say, it doesn't matter what I'm actually doing right now. I'm just doing an example. You will find these icons throughout the admin. Whichever bit of the admin you want to use, it's the same principle. But yeah, in the case of the menus, let's find the features menu. It happens to be right here up at the top. Let's open it up. And in the website menu settings, there will be a box that will say icon, enter the name of a Google Material Design icon. And anywhere where you see this in the admin, you can do exactly what I'm doing now. So here I'm simply going to paste the name of the icon that I copied from the Google website. I'm going to save it. And now if I go back to the front end of the website, now I have this beautiful, cool icon right in front of the features. So yeah, go through this page, take a look at all of them. One tiny tip I will give you, they do have a search function over here by on the left, or a filter function, and it doesn't work very well. So you can try searching for something if you know you want, I don't know, a check, and it will show some of them, but in a lot of cases it won't actually show all of them. So I'd recommend, rather than relying on this search filter function, just browse through one time, take you a couple of minutes to look at them all, get an idea for what there is, and then whenever you want one, come back to this page, pick out the one that you like, add it in the admin, and it will appear as if by magic on your website.